Hey guys, today we have a police challenge, and it's the first time I'm recording the voice as well. The editing took so long, so hope you enjoy. And here it goes.
Hearing my voice for the first time, you were like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, fuck you. If you don't like my voice, shut the fuck up and get out. That's your
OG's not
problem.
Australian. I thought OG was Australian. Alright, man, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm coming. Hit the shot.
Damn. Okay,
Yeah,
I got the shot.
Okay, you got it. Okay, come in.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, I'm going.
Shoot.
You better be catching up this time, man. Okay, I'm going sideways here, man. I'm too pro for this game, man. This game can't handle me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Whoa! That's some pussy move! Oh, come on!
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Nah, this car's
My car is moving!
a bitch! Yo! This car's a bitch! No! Yo!
I'm going sideways again, bro. Front wheel drift. Who does that? Of course, OG. You're close.
Yeah, you could say so.
Did that work?
Done that.
Did that work?
Huh?
Did that work?
No, not really.
Fuck, that didn't work. Okay. That should have worked. It's your problem. Fuck. I kinda know how I'm playing. Oh, bro, that was fast as fuck.
Bro, I got you, blood.
Okay, let me do mine as well. Let me change my tunes and shit.
Alright. Alexa, say what's up to OG.
Yes.com. OG is an American.
Alexa, shut the fuck up, bro. Alexa, shut up. Alright, man. Alexa, shut the fuck up.
God damn. You want me to slow down? No. Okay.
Nah, don't slow down, bitch. What you mean? You're telling me I can't get you? I can't get you, fuck.
You can't get me.
Fuck, that wasn't the right thing to do there, but yeah.
Okay, no, NPC, bitch.
Oh no, that wasn't right. That wasn't right at all, bro. Fuck. Bro, I literally forgot. No, I fell down. Like I thought I could make the jump and like come in front of you somehow. Well, I actually did, bro.
No, you're coming to me. Fuck.
Fuck. Bro, I can't believe how the fuck that worked actually. Fuck's sake, man.
Man, I took a U-turn.
U-turn?
I took a U-turn, bro.
Big man thing. Oh, bro. No, yes, no. Fuck, I can't see the road. Okay. Good. How the fuck that road is fast as fuck, man? And for those who don't know, our like unlimited my top speed in the RS6. So yeah, don't be like. Okay, I can't give you another chance, cause like I'll give you a set myself. I hit you in my screen, bro. What you mean?
Oh, you didn't touch me at all.
Bro, I gotta hit a record, bro.
Damn. Okay. All right. Okay, blood. Now I'm coming. Ah, fuck.
You're not coming. You have protection. Cops always protect people, so you know what I'm saying?
This time I'm chasing your ass.
You're a good cop. Don't tell me that. Okay, it doesn't count. I went inside the shop.
No, it counts.
It doesn't count. Did you hit me? Yeah.
No, wait. I'm on top of the fucking road. I'm stuck.
Oh shoot, it doesn't matter.
I'm stuck. I'm legit stuck.
So it doesn't count. So it does count.
Go.
Okay.
No, it doesn't. Go.
Where are you?
Yeah, that's me, blood.
Okay, I'm turning around. You turn, big man. Fuck, I was about to hit that shit again. I need to move my bombs for sure. This game not gonna fix. Oh nah, man. How the fuck are you coming so fast?
RS6, bro. No, that's calling me. What a bitch.
Ah.
Oh, this dude's gonna
Who
fuck
calls
your
is
ass.
there? Who calls is that a
Nah, bro,
bitch?
you're gonna wait, bro. You're gonna wait that shit. I was just about to get this win too.
Ah. I'm gonna go left.
Oh,
Yeah, you slow down for the left, don't you? Bro, how the f catching up? Okay, let's go here.
oh, never mind.
No, how the fuck you got straight again?
Bro, where are you going?
I don't know. Bro, it feels like Forza Horizon at this point. Where the fuck I'm going?
Where the fuck are you going?
I don't know, you tell me. Fuck.
I don't know, man. I'm chasing you, but
How the fuck keeping up?
what?
Yo, don't tell me. You got me, did you?
No, I
Okay.
didn't touch you.
Cause like you got delay and shit. Oh, this shit looks good. No, fuck that. Oh, okay.
I'm disappearing type shit, bro. I don't want to look
Oh,
at.
you know what I'm saying, bro. Ready? Big jump. Wait 360 in the
Bro,
air, bro. Flip, fucking side shit.
bro, I did a 362.
I don't know. I'm just too pro, bro. I don't have any word for my stuff, bro. Where the fuck I'm going? Like for fuck's sake. Yo, if you get me in the air, if you get me in the air, I'm just deleting
Bro,
this.
no, bro. Where the fuck?
Oh fuck.
Okay, I'm coming, bro.
Okay, guys, OG's dying. We just found
OG
out.
is dying.
Yeah, man. OG's getting old.
OG is getting old for real.
OG's tired.
Hmm.
OG's near to 25k subs. Where the fuck are
I
you,
think we
Bridge?
should sub to OG, don't you think?
Huh?
I think people should sub to OG.
Yeah, bro. That guy is so cool, bro.
Yeah.
OG's so cool, bro. If you don't know him, you should know
Did
him.
you get it?
Yeah.
Bro, who are these two guys? Those are not me.
Did he crash?
No.
Fuck sake, these are racing. I
Dude,
have to
you're
go
so
off road.
fucking cold.
Huh?
You're so
Race?
fucking cold.
I'm back off your ass, fam. Work.
Oh, well, I took one almost, but I was forced. There was an NPC,
Hmm.
and he pushed me off, so I was like, alright, shit, I'll go with it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm stuck. Okay. There's no stop, bro. So what the fuck? Oh fuck. Oh, wait, are you coming this way? Tell
I
me.
don't know, am I? Looks like it.
Yes, man. Yo,
Uh-oh.
fuck!
Yeah.
No way.
I might go to the city, who knows?
Who knows?
No, you're cutting!
Yeah, but of course I'm cutting.
No, that's
I'm a bad cop, bro. Big man.
Bro!
Ah,
Oh my god,
you
bro.
thought I'm
Fuck.
fooling you?
I didn't see you, bro, in the mini map because I was like, wait. 3, 2, 1,
One.
go.
Okay. I'm sure you wasn't expecting this.
Bro, where the fuck are you?
I'm in the mood.
Bro.
No. Yes, no. I don't know. Where are you? I'm. You know where am I? Can you see me or some shit?
Yeah, pretty
Okay.
clearly, yeah.
Yeah, cool. But you can't come here. I dare you to jump. Oh, did you? Fuck.
Woo.
Oh, there's a wall. Fuck no. Are you in the row?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm behind the wall. Catch me.
No, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Yeah, man. How do you feel, bro? That close. How do you feel, man? Tell the viewers how do you feel.
I'm trying to teleport in there.
It's not gonna work.
Come on, brother.
I'm a neutral. Fuck.
I hit you, dude.
No, did you? Did you hit me on your screen?
Yeah, bro, I hit you.
You didn't in mine, but like it counts. I guess it counts.